Hello, how are you guys? Welcome to this chapter. Today I want to teach you how to install Linux Mint on VMware workstation. So first of all, you should go to the website for the Linux, and here you can find these three different desktops: the Cinnamon, Mate, and the XFCE. The Cinnamon is one of the most popular desktop for the Linux Mint, so I prefer to download this one. But you should click here, but because I have it on my desktop, so I won't download it again. After you download the ISO, so you come to the VMware workstation, select this to start new virtual machine. Next, and here install from the ISO that you already downloaded, here the Cinnamon. And after that you will click next. Yeah, it is Linux, and here you can choose Ubuntu because the Mint is based on Ubuntu. And the virtual machine name, yeah, it's okay, the name doesn't matter. And here you will specify the location where do you want to install this virtual machine. And yeah, here you should specify this capacity, so 20 gigabyte is okay. And next, if you want to customize the hardware, you will you come to here, and for example, yeah, you need 2 processors for this, or you can add them, add or remove them. I will choose one because I just do it for a test. So after that you will click finish. Okay, so the new machine is here. You click on it, and you will power on this virtual machine, Ubuntu 64. Yeah, here you should start the Linux Mint. Maybe it depends on the hardware of your computer. It takes some time. Right now it's booting, and now we have the Linux Mint here. Okay. You should wait a bit. This is the first time, so maybe it takes a long time. So now this is the Mint live, but we have to install the Mint itself. So we will click here, install the Linux Mint. You will go to this page, choose the language. For me, English is okay, and the keyboard, I will choose again English. For graphics, Wi-Fi, yeah, you can choose it because of the third-party software which is for the Mint. You will need them. Continue. The next step should yeah, here this is in your virtual machine, so yeah, you will select the erase disk and install a Linux Mint. It means that the whole 20 or 30 or whatever the gigabyte that you specified for the Linux Mint, this machine will use all of that. So use install now. Yes, and here you barely about time zone. So your name, my name is Goli, and the password 12345 12345. Continue. So now we should wait to all the stuff which is required for the installation of the Linux Mint will be finished. After that we will go more in detail, because we install it on VMware workstation. After that we should install the OpenVM tools, because you need some features for the using better of this Mint in VMware. So we will download them, and one of the most important thing is that after that you will have the full screen. Right now, as you can see, it's not full screen. So by installing the VM tools, you will have the full screen Linux Mint in your VMware workstation. So when the installation is finished, you should restart your virtual machine, restart your system. So we will restart it here. After that, we will install the VM tools because you need it for using easier the Linux on the virtual and VMware workstation. And now it will ask us the password. We should enter the password which we entered when we were installing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, finally we have the Linux Mint here. This awesome operating system. I'm pretty sure that you will like it. I'm pretty sure that you will like the Mint. Okay, now we should install the OpenVM tools. We will open the terminal, and for better, I will teach you all of the commands, most of the commands and everything. But right now you should just enter these commands to install the VM tools. apt-get install open VM tools desktop. Just these two commands. Right now, yes. Yes, and now we have a Linux Mint in full screen. So it was the first video for the Mint tutorial, and after that I will upload many videos for getting familiar with Linux Mint and in the command line and also in GUI. So just stay with me. And finally, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe our channel, and feel free to leave comment. And if you have any question, I will answer them. So goodbye.